Arbona Lucas Ribeiro. Aba Kamaga Botali. Bona Koti Mofa. Aba Kama! Lucas Ribeiro. No one else but him. Karupi. Jonathan Tamaikarabelao. Quanta Lucas Ribeiro. Abuya Melela Basanda Wana Kabuyelo. Kegoreile Kare Patolete Ba Kokota. Elobaka Edusa. Banaga Motama Katilenga. Tulaga Toko Morago Tatle. Aikama. Baba Mungu Lucas Ribeiro. Abona Pata. Atsapileo. Aitsinya Mungu yone Pata yeo. Yabu itijwa kele troa. Yabu nagore. 1-1. Onotsa Motameko Mungu Mungu Lucas Ribeiro.
Sanibonani good day guys, thanks for tuning in. Remember to give it a like, remember to subscribe. Before I talk about Ribeiro Costa, don't go anywhere. I will touch on the potential transfer Ribeiro Costa to Kaizer Chiefs and then we'll talk about it on comment section below. Right, Bafana Banda, right, Bahambila Bafetu, wish them all the best. And then you heard everything in Dabazabo, Peterson, in Dabazabo, Monyane, Guti. They are tagging along in terms of Sbonge, sports minister, owner is he's doing, he's trying to do his job. I think it's a good gesture. Guti, Bahamba Bafetu Nabakapi Bafana Bafana, and watch them. All the best to Ibafana Bafana. We'll see how the World Cup is going to go. Okay, excellent. If I can say so, right? It's 10 days. And then Bafetu in the Thabo Moloisane. Yes, it's happening. Thabo Moloisane to Kaizer Chiefs. Those it's definitely not fake news. Thabo Moloisane, central defender, is coming to Kaizer Chiefs. As I've been reporting since December, which years ago. So, right, guys, that is definitely true. Do you think Kaizer Chiefs they really need Thabo Moloisane? The last defender coming from Stellenbosch, that was Ukunika. Kunika, I think he had a good season this season. Also, his last 2 years were good. And then I think maybe there's potential competition. And then Miguel, Miguel, what is happening with Miguel? Do you think Thabo Moloisane is a starter? I think Kaizer Chiefs should be signing players who should be automatic starters. So Thabo Moloisane on the fringes of Bafana, he is an international defender. So yeah, Bafetu, what do you think of that move? Thabo Moloisane, another player coming from Stellenbosch, rumored to be on his way to Ikosi. That is striker, former Orlando Pirates striker, Mabasa. So we already know which 2 players joined Chiefs from Pirates this season, Monyane no Marco. So Mabasa, is he following his former teammates? Do you think it was a good move for Chiefs which is signing Monyane, signing Marco? In my honest opinion, I think Monyane was a good one. Marco, I think in terms of mastabanga laphayana kusabonke isoshinga babe nama-injury, simbonile laphayana uBradley Cross uyahambile nayo uhambeni Bafana World Cup. So all the best to Bradley Cross. Is representing, I think probably he's the most trending player laphayana Bafana right now. And then I think they enjoy his personality as well. That is Bradley Cross Mlung. So yeah, right, guys. And then but before singena go main issue esizokhuluma ngayo on the comment section below, athi sibonele video kancane.
Vou colar, hein? Não, Kaizer Chiefs, guys, respect, huh? Big team, big team.
do Big Red, boa tarde no Veranzão, alô galera da FTV Live. E gol do mesmo lá no...
Vou colar, hein?
Na mão do Paulinho Vitinho. Foi um domínio ali com o dedão.
No, Kaiser Chiefs, guys. Respect, huh? Big team, big team.
Do Big Red, boa tarde no Veranzão, alô galera da FTV.
Ngifuna ukungena endabeni yekhosi because that is why we are here, that is why you are watching. Remember to give it a like, remember to subscribe. Indaba yaka Ribeiro Costa. Ribeiro Costa, as you know guys, uSirinho ngathi uyalapha kuLazio e-Italy. So Ribeiro Costa could be the next Kaizer Chiefs number 10. So yeah, njengoba sazi ukuthi uSirinho uyahamba kukhosi. Ribeiro Costa nemzwile laphayana uthi big team Kaizer Chiefs, big team Kaizer Chiefs. So right guys, i-team yakhe ba-relegatile from the Spanish State Tier, that is Ribeiro Costa, and definitely the PSL is at a higher level than where he is playing, and then definitely that is why you see him making those videos, is because of the discussions. Njengoba ngantshela bafethu, I've been telling you since February ukuthi Ribeiro Costa could be making that switch to Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah guys, I just wanted to make a video ngikhulume ngayo Ribeiro Costa, that potential transfer. Ribeiro Costa to Kaizer Chiefs is definitely very much looking likely. And then I just want to tell you guys, indaba yaka Fernando da Cruz, I just want to dispel fake news. Fernando da Cruz, if you remember, wafika yena kuqala mangabe kuqashwa uNazruddin Nabi mababuya le eTanzania, and then wahamba waya laphayana eMorocco, and then they hired him. So yeah, it does, those fake news making the rounds. You see them all over social media, you see them all over ama website webhola. It is not true to Fernando da Cruz uza kuKaizer Chiefs. Fernando da Cruz bafethu, if you remember, it's part of Nasreddin Nabi's technical team. So yeah guys, those news, just want to dispel them. And remember, njengoba niyosho ukuthi ngasho indaba yakaPitso bafethu ukuthi it's very much looking likely. I hear ukuthi ngathi bamnikeza a 3-year deal uPitso in final stages of negotiations, but I will make a special video on that. But yeah guys, remember to give it a like, remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Yabonga bafethu. Danko.